Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Gabrielle Caunesil's villa on Lake Maggiore. I can no longer give up the Italian dolce vita. Model Gabrielle Caunesil and her husband, Riccardo Pozzoli, have breathed new life into a sprawling abandoned villa on the shores of Lake Maggiore. Profound works, entrusted to Lucrezia Calvi and her all-female LC studio, allowed for an autobiographical rewriting of each space, echoing the different atmospheres that inspired them. Gabrielle is French, like the elegance that permeates the collections of her fashion brand, La Semaine, while Riccardo is Italian. Gabrielle embodies this deliciously Parisian taste. Riccardo, for his part, brings the moderation, the rigor of Italian design, and a grand cuisine where one can gather at any time of day. Design here becomes almost a discreet diplomacy to highlight the originality of each room.